Let's quickly look at the way that you can follow artists on Spotify. If you want to keep a list and follow all of your favorite artists on Spotify, let me show you the quick process. Open up your Spotify app. Now, the way that you follow these artists is you'll need to first of all visit their profile, tap on the search bar on the bottom, and then search for the artist that you're trying to follow. Once you search up the names, their profile will be visible just like this. You can just tap on their profile, and inside their profile, you'll be able to see the option of follow. You can just tap on this follow button, and you can see it says you're following Ed Sheeran. Similarly, you can also search up other artists and hit that follow button. Following artists helps Spotify let you know any new songs that they release and any other songs that can be related to you. So that's all it takes in following artists on Spotify. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's got to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.